Now we need to discuss about RKF and CKF, how to create it. RKF and CKF. I can say both are global, okay? And you can keep it like no restricted key figure, restricted key figure, restricted key figure. We can restrict the key figure by using RKF. We can restrict the key figure. We can restrict the key figure. Key figure means amount. Key figure based on the characteristic value. Based on the characteristic values. Characteristic values. Characteristic word means example cal month. That is what we are doing, cal month, right? Okay. And CKF means calculated key figure. Calculated key figure. What you are calculating? We are calculating, we are calculating, we are calculating the key figure based on the existing key figures. Based on the existing means what? Existing key figures. What we have existing? Amount and quantity is there, right? Amount and quantity is there. Those are the existing key figures. So what we are create example? Total I am going to create. The CKF name is total. CKF name is total. What is the calculation? Amount into quantity. This is virtual key figure. It will not store data. Okay. Like now, both are global. Both are global. Global means what? Both are global. And both are virtual. Whereas new selection and new formula, both are local. Example, we have a one multi-provider or InfoCube. InfoCube, InfoCube or multi-provider or composite provider. So if we have 100 queries, if we have 100 queries and created one CKF and RKF, then remaining 99 queries, same Bex query, same CKF available, CKF and RKF available for all queries. Same CKF and RKF available for remaining 99 queries as well. Assume that we have a cube. What is this cube? G cube underscore 01 we have. Okay. On top of that, I have created 100 queries. 100 queries means what? Z cube underscore 01 underscore Q001. So like this, I have created 100. So one Bex query, I created one RKF and CKF. So remaining 99 queries also it will be available. That is the concept. Okay. So we'll see with practically and go to the Bex query. So this is the Bex query. What is the multi-prod? InfoCube only, right? Create this one, new. We are creating the new Bex query for RKF and CKF practical. Now you can see this is the InfoCube. On top of this, we are creating. Assume in the real time also you are creating 100. So here we have already RKF and CKF. So see what I will do, I am deleting it. What will happen? See here what it is saying. Are deleted from the database. This cannot be undone. Do you want to continue? Yes. Okay, see, after deleting, cannot delete element because it is still used. Do you want to display the variable list? Yes. So, in this way, in this Bex query we are created. Okay. So, where you are using RKF and all, so you can able to see here. So, you can go there and you can remove it. Don't use them in the Bex query. Then you can delete it. Okay. So simply you cannot delete a CKF RKF after using into another queries also. It will have a problem. Okay, go to rows. Okay, I'm drag and drop into amount. And save it. So now here we already checked it new formula. New formula and CKF both are same. Now I'm going to create new CKF. I want total. How will do get total? So these are the database key figures, amount and these are the existing key figures. Based on these two, I am creating the calculated key figure. Once you create this one, double click on this. Okay. This name is, I will give like no CKF1. CKF1. And here also you can give some name. CKF1. I am giving. Okay. Here, now amount into quantity we are doing it. Double click and into and this one. Or else you can do modification as well based on your requirement. You can do division as well. Okay. Now you can do click OK. This is what we are doing it. So I just saved it. Once you save, this is the global key figure. Now you can use it. Okay. Now you can go display and you can keep it like no decimal factor. However you want, you can keep it. Okay. And go inside. Can go inside. Okay. And you can select here also. You can select here also. Number of decimals zero only. Okay. And then save it. And save it. And one more option I will have to tell you. And once you execute, now it is displaying the month. Okay, sorry. So we have to change the Bex query name. Okay. Our query name is 16. Now you can see this is the total it is displaying. Okay, fine. Now I don't want to see quantity. I don't want to see quantity in the report level. Yes, it is possible. Select this quantity, and keep always hide. Save it. Now it is in disable mode. See, the color is grayed out. And now I will go. Still the calculation will happen. Even you are keeping into hide also, the calculation will happen. But it will not display in the Bex query level. So even amount also I can hide it. Select this one. Based on the business requirement, you can do it. Okay, always hide. Okay, it will not display to the business. Just amazing to into the calculation level. So this also you need to cover. Hide and you can remove hide also. If you want to back again, what you do, select this amount and go to display and always show. See here we having option always hide Hide can be shown also, you can try. So you need to do all these options. I will explain only one or two, okay? You can try it. See, still not showing. But if you want, you can see amount where you can see. Hmm. Okay, fine. Okay, go back. Did you save the Bex query? No. Okay, still it is not showing. Hide can be shown. Fine. Okay. If you want to highlight the numbers in the report level and then save, if you want to highlight the numbers, example, I want to highlight only, I want to highlight the amount, only amount key figure values in the report level. Then what I will do, select this amount and go to display and this one highlight display. Okay, now you can see what will happen. What is the difference you need to observe it. See now, I just remove the hide as well. Okay, now it will display all. See now is it highlighted or not? It is showing bold color. Did you observe? And if I remove and I will keep it quantity, I'll keep it quantity. So I'll remove this one, normal display, and now I will go to the quantity, I will display it. Okay, these are the properties available, bro. Now I can save it. Now you can execute. So you have to observe it. If you want to highlight, you can highlight as well. It will be in the bold. See, middle it is in bold. So if you remove this option, bold and all, then it will display normal only. So you have to understand the differences. So we are using hide option, we are using highlight, we are using decimal. If you want to use scaling factor, how it will works? Example in the report level, see here, 16,000 would be there, 16,000. So instead of displaying 16,000, I will display only 16. 16 means I'm using scaling factor. I will use only 1000. That means here display only 16, 17, 18. I mean 16 means 16,000. 17 means 7,000. You need to catch that point. Okay, here I'm selecting 1000 factor, 1000 scaling factor. That means the report it will display in the numbers. Okay, I mean it will display only 16. 16 means 16,000. 17 means 17,000. 21 means 21,000. 4 means 4,000. 5 means 5,000. It will not display all the zeros and all. Okay. Now we'll see. Oh, we did not save. Huh? Let me save. Did we select? Select the amount. Select the amount. Go to display. Okay. It was not changed it. Okay. Unselect. So particularly we need to select one key figure. It was not saved properly. Okay. Go back and execute. See, only decimals are coming. Three zeros out. That also will remove. Okay. Where is this? I'm showing amount is like no 00. So now it will display only two digit number. Here 16 means what? 16,000. 17 months what? 17,000. Because I selected scaling factor is, see, 16 means not 16 rupees, 16,000. Because I'm using scaling factor 1000. Okay, 1000. It is showing, the business is showing lakhs. For example, Infosys will release the quarter results. The numbers it will display in the crores. not thousand, not okay, lakhs. It will display in the crores. So our report is in the thousands. If you want to display in the crores, then you can select scaling factor crores. Are you getting me? That is kind of scaling factor. So here I selected one option is, what is that option? So when I selected like no reverse sign for amount, whatever it is displaying 16, 17, 1, 2, that is displaying in the thousand, right? Positive. So when I select like no reverse sign, then it is displaying reverse. When you select key plus sign, then it will display the whatever the value available in the database level, it will display in the report level. When you select reverse sign, that means whatever we have positive value, it will display in the negative value. See, that is what we are observing it. Even if we select quantity also, select this, and now you can display all values in the negative value. So you can go and check it. So that is what SAP given options. Generally, I never used it, but they give an option. If you want, you can use it. Okay. Yeah. So and now I'm removing it. So if I want, I can use here also. It is available. Okay. That is called global structure. Global. Okay. Now we will create restricted key figure. Right click and create restricted. So double click on restricted key figure. Now you can drag and drop amount. Same like new selection only, nothing is changing, right? But very important this one. Interview also they are asking like no number of times. For every interview they will ask. You can restrict. I'll give whatever I given the value, right? So I will give this. Save. So but I will execute. Okay, I'm executing it. I just created RKF, but I am not using in the Bex Query level. Okay, I did not use it. So let me use in the Bex Query level. How you will use? Select this one and you can drag and drop and save it. So you have to observe the difference after using and before using. Now it is asking me variable input. Okay, now I'm executing it. So now it is replacing only this value. Okay, getting. So in this way, we can use RKF and CKF. So in the same RKF, we can use into another query, and you are trying to change here. You are trying to change here. You are trying to change here. Then it will reflect. Example, I created one more Bex query. This Bex query is 16. I will create one more Bex query 17. And there I will try to change this RKF. I will try to change the RKF. Then it will reflect on 17 and 16 as well. That is not correct. That time what you need to do? Okay. That time what you need to do? Right click. There is option will come. Remove reference will come. Okay. If you do, then it will not have an issue. Example, where I will get that option. Remove reference will come option. Where will see. Remove reference will come. Okay, I will tell you that. Okay, so don't change RKF and CKF once you create. Otherwise, other queries it will reflect escalations will come. Okay, so this is the way we'll create RKF and CKF. Both are global. That is the way it will display in the left side. Whenever you want, you can use it. This amount and quantity and total amount, it is coming from the database. Database means what? Info cube only. Okay. See, complete provider is means what? Database only, but it is virtual. It will bring data from the ADSO. Okay, think that perspective in the backend level. Okay. Multi-provider, it will not store data. Complete provider, it will not store data. Obviously, whatever you are creating multi-provider based on the cube or DSO, the data will store into the cube or DSO physically. From there only it is fetching the data. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.